Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about natural glyco blood support, whether it's legit or just another marketed scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, natural glyco is sold on platforms like Amazon, but there's no official website, no clinical backing, and little transparency about the manufacturer. According to malware tips and other scam watchers, there are several red flags, such as fake endorsements from non existent doctors like Dr. Arthur Foster, deepfake videos and edited celebrity testimonials, wild health claims such as reversing type 2 diabetes in 60 seconds, and fake 5-star reviews likely generated by bots. All all of these are classic signs of a health supplement scam, especially in a blood sugar niche, a space where people are desperate for alternatives to treat medication or to be medicated. Now, for the final verdict, natural glyco blood support is not a medical backed diabetes solution and likely a scam. It uses emotional marketing, false authority, and digital manipulation to push a product with no proven benefits. If you're serious about managing blood sugar, speak to a doctor and focus on real evidence based care. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.